Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Into a two parts. So now after cutting this, the shorter part becomes the front of a gown and the longer part becomes the back of a gown. We will place the same on the top of our gown. Now flipping a fabric at the wrong side, we will attach it with the help of pins. We will make a little folds, or you can say frills, and then we'll secure it with pins so that it will be easy for us to sew. So here you guys can see I have done attaching pins. Now I will sew it. After attaching both the fabric at the front side of our gown, we will be repeating the same step at the back of our gown. We will make the same frills at the back of our gown and will attach it with the help of pins. Here I have done attaching the pins and then I will be sewing it with the help of sewing machine. Now I will place my fabric one above the other at the wrong side and will hem the shoulder area. I will first secure it with the help of pins and then will sew it. We also need to sew the another side of our gown. After attaching at the shoulder and at the side fittings, we will flip our fabric upside down. If you guys want, you can carry this gown the way it is with blue or white denims, but I prefer to sew even the sides of it. So by taking front and the back fabric, I will sew both the sides of the gown. So here you guys can see the final result of my gown. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching my today's video. If you did, then please hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.